everyone, welcome back. It is day 27 of your 30-day Pilates challenge. I'm Terriell, and today our workout theme is confidence. Now, after doing Pilates every day for so long, I'm feeling way more confident and strong in my body, and I bet you are too. Now, during this workout, I want you to just kind of be confident that you're going to get through it, and the exercises that we do, you're going to hit it and move through it, and then just be done with it, and it'll be great because you are super confident. All right, so let's get started. We are going to start standing today. So I want you to walk to one edge of your mat, stand in Pilates stance, heels together, toes apart. I'm kind of at the edge of my possibility here. Let's actually come over to this side. Whoopsies. Now, we'll take the arms straight up to the ceiling, and we'll start some roll downs through the spine. So diving forward with the arms, we'll roll down for 4, for 3, for 2, for 1, and roll back up 4, and 3, and 2, reach to the sky, 1, rolling down again, 4, trying to articulate through your spine as you would doing roll-ups on the mat and rolling up through the spine, 3, 2, arms reach up, 1. You have 2 more of these rolling down because they feel nice. Why not? 2, reaching over, 1, keeping your scoop and rolling up. Even weight in the feet. 2 and 1. One more time, rolling down. 4, 3, 2, 1. On this one, we'll stay down and walk out in 4 counts to a plank. 3, 2, you're here on 1. Now let's add a push-up down and back up. Send the hips up. Walk back to your toes for 4, 3, 2, head heavy, 1. Let's roll up for 4, 3, 2, arms lift up, 1, rolling down, 4, 3, 2, to walk out to plank in 4 counts, 4, 3, 2, you're here on 1. Now we have 2 push-ups, down and up, down and up. Send the hips high to the ceiling, drop the heels down, walk it back, 4, 3, 2, 1, rolling up 4 through that spine, 3, 2, arms raise up, 1, rolling down, 4, 3, 2, 1, walk out, 4, 3, this time we'll hold it out here, 1, now 3 push-ups, down, lift up, 2, lift up, 1 more time, lift up, send the hips up. Now we'll drop the heels and bring the feet parallel, toes point forward. Let's walk the feet forward to the hands, 1, 2, little steps, straight legs, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're at the top on 8, and let's walk back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, to the front, 1 more time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 more time, reaching back with those legs, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're here on 8. Now go ahead and come back out to your plank. This time we'll lower all the way down with control to the belly. Now with your nose hovering an inch off the mat, let's take the arms long by your sides and make sure you're centered with the legs magnetized towards each other, palms face up towards the ceiling. From here, let's lift the whole body off the floor, long through back of neck, palms lift up, and we'll begin to pump up and down for the 100 here, breathing in and breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. And exhale, 3, 4, 5, in with the air. Now try to keep your chest open as you do this. So shoulder blades squeezing slightly together. And exhale, 3, 4, 5, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale. And exhale, 3, 4, 5, inhale. And exhale, 3, 4, 5. You have 2 more breaths. And out with the air. The arms get longer. They reach back towards the back edge of your mat. Exhale. 1 more breath in. And last breath out, 3, 4, 5. Now hold the position. Let's see if we can lift a bit higher here. We'll send the arms forward in front of your face and start your swan dive. 6 rocks back and forth like a rocking chair. Good. 2, 1, and done. Let's sit back onto the heels and stretch. And now we'll come all the way back up and spin around to a seated position. Now next we're going to do some neck pulls. So I want you to take your hands behind your head, palm over palm, lifting tall. And we'll start by rounding forward, diving that nose to the knees. Keep your elbows wide for this one, working in that C curve. And now we'll start to stack the spine up bone by bone, inch by inch. Lift up really tall through your spine. Let's hinge back flat as a board. And then round to roll the rest of the way down. Now have faith that you can make it back up. Inhale, chin to chest. Exhale, up and over, nose to the knees. Inhale to flatten out your spine, lifting tall. Hinge it back, flat as a board. And then exhale, round and roll it all the way down to the mat. And again, inhale, chin to chest. Exhale, up and over, nose to the knees. Inhale, flat back, lift up tall. Big hinge back, flat as a board. Exhale, round and roll it all the way down. 2 more times. Inhale, chin to chest. Exhale, up and over, nose to the knees. Inhale, flat back, tall. Grow taller here as you hinge back. Let's go a little bit further. I know you can do it. And exhale, round and roll it down. 1 more time. Inhale, chin to chest. Exhale, up, whoop, and over, nose to the knees. Inhale, flat back, lift up. Deep scoop of those abdominals as you hinge back. And exhale, round and roll it all the way down. Now from here, we'll set up for jackknife. We're going to take the arms long by your sides and then bring the knees into the chest. Now I want you to reach those fingertips out and down towards the front edge of your mat a little bit more, making arms longer, chest opens wider. Send your legs out to 45 degrees to prepare, and then we're going to take the legs up and over and up. Here we go. Legs go up and over and up. Now roll down with control. And the legs out to 45 degrees. And again, legs go up and over and up and all the way down. 2 more. Take those legs up and over and up and down to the mat. 1 more time. Up and over and up and roll it down. This time, let's come up into a teaser. Ooh, finding that balance, just catch it, you got it. And then we'll add the jackknife to it. So keep those legs frozen in space, roll down through your spine, hands to the mat, legs go up and over and up. Roll through your spine, legs to 45, roll up into teaser, balance. 2 more, down through the back, legs go up and over and lift up, rolling through the spine with control. And you're there, whoop, almost there. And then rolling down, legs stay frozen in space, and they go back over and up, and then down through the back to roll up, reaching for your toes. Here we are. Find that balance. 3, holding 2. You got this on 1. We'll start to roll everything down to the mat with control until you are flat on your back. And you made it through day 27 with confidence. I will see you on the mat tomorrow for day 28. Bye for now.